After you are done, it's time to hand stitch our small bag together. We will do this using a hidden stitch or a ladder stitch. If you want to do this, you need to press our 1 centimeter line like this. This is just an example, so you'll see how to do it. I will start at the beginning and make a knot. The trick to the hidden stitch is that you make short stitches like 3 or 5 millimeters, and so they will hold very firmly together. Here we will take a small amount and make it perpendicular, you see? And we need to repeat this a couple more times. I'm using a contour thread on purpose because I want you to see how I am making the stitches. But please, when you will be sewing sunglasses case, make sure that you will use the matching thread. Every few stitches you just pull, and it will, if you pull too much like this, then you just stretch it back. If you will need to look at this video again, please take your time. I hope that you will make beautiful sunglasses cases, or you can even use this stitch on your clothes, or if you need to hand sew a pillowcase. This is very widely used. I sometimes use this stitch when I'm working on my brooches to close my brooch together, to join together my brooch with the back side. And when you just wish to finish it, you make sure you pull that and make sure that this is straight. And as you can see, the stitch is really invisible. And then you go through both sides. And you pull the needle through the loop. And once more. And then you just hide the stitch back into the thread and you snip away the excess. The smaller the stitches, the more strength your stitch will have. If you prefer, you can of course always sew these two lines with a sewing machine, but as I said, this is optional. You don't have to buy a sewing machine to finish this project. You can hand stitch it, and it's fairly quickly and less expensive.